Today we're getting rid of our old exposed light fixture and updating it with our new classy and elegant ceiling light from Pia Ricco. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a mounting plate, a packet of hardware, and then your ceiling light. The ceiling light takes standard E26 bulbs, and the base has an anti-rust matte black coating. Between that and the gold accents, it looks really classy in my opinion. To get started, turn off your light's power breaker, and then unscrew the old fixture. Grab your mounting plate, take off the knobby, and make sure you have enough length exposed to mount your ceiling light to. Then screw the mounting plate to the junction box. Then grab your new fixture from Pia Ricco. Underneath, the wires are all connected nicely together, leading to 3 simple wires: the positive, neutral, and ground. Unravel them and get them ready for install. Connect the black wire to the black, the white to the white, and the ground to the ground, and secure them down using the provided wire nuts. Slide the mounting plate through the ceiling light and tighten it down using the knob you removed earlier. Put in some light bulbs and turn your power breaker back on. Now our area is lit and looking better than ever. Before this, we didn't even have a complete light fixture. Now we have an elegant and classy looking light fixture that lights a good amount of area. Then I put in some color changing bulbs, and I like this even more. The colors against the matte black and gold design looks really cool. So if you're looking for a ceiling light fixture that's easy to install and brings a nice atmosphere to the room, this ceiling light from Pia Ricco might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go shop for some more light fixtures. I have plenty more that need replaced. See ya!